Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. Here we have our fifth cube completed. We'll test the seed bead. Here we have 1, 5, and we turn it to T5, back to 1, 5, then we go to B5, back to 1, 5, then we go to 2, 5, 3, 5, and 4, 5, and then we are back to 1, 5. That is our seed bead. Now with the faceted bead, here I have T5 on top. I'm going to turn it to 1, 5. In the last video, I showed 4, 5 connected to 1, 5, and then attached to T5 to get us ready to add 3, 5. So when you add 3, 5, you want it to go this way along 4, 5, and it should lay this direction next to 4, 5. Now let's test our faceted bead. We'll start with 1, 5, and there's T5, back to 1, 5, then we have B5, back to 1, 5, then there's 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, and we end with 1, 5. Now the fifth cube does not attach to the first half. It is just the beginning of the second half, so we will not have any hinges until we have finished the sixth cube. Then we will connect the fifth and sixth cube. I hope that you are enjoying this project, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.